So nice to be outdoors again. It's been a little while. The weather's kept us out. A lot of other things, but we're back. So I'm gonna show you guys around camp. Show you guys what we've been up to, the upgrades. It's nice to see the taco in its own element again. Dinner is being prepped up right now. So a little update to the channel. We got the drawer system. It's so awesome to have it, to keep everything nice and neat, everything efficient, everything clean, have trash bags back there, have all the cooking stuff. Man, it's just such a blessing. Today's trip in particular is just a day trip. I haven't been out in months, so I decided to just get out here for the day, have some lunch, use the drawer system, kind of see how it holds up on the trail. I built the drawers out of 3/4 inch plywood, so it's pretty solid. I'm gonna quit boring you guys. We're gonna have some dinner here soon, so I'll film a couple more shots and then we're gonna get out of here.